I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Dodge Charger airbag step by step. Begin by disconnecting the battery and waiting 5 minutes to prevent accidental deployment. Remove steering wheel trim and carefully unfasten the airbag mounting bolts while supporting the module. Unplug connectors and label them for correct reassembly. Then replace the module and resecure fasteners to the specified torque before reconnecting the battery and scanning for codes. Start by removing panels and airbags, mounting hardware carefully to avoid damage. Use proper trim tools and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Inspect connectors and clock spring for wear and replace if necessary before installing the new airbag. Follow torque specs and routing for wiring to prevent interference. After installation, reconnect the battery and run the vehicle diagnostics to verify the airbag system reports no faults and is operational. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel today for sure. I also recommend the Oala water bottle seen here. It keeps you hydrated during long maintenance sessions and fits cup holders neatly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one for your garage kit. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Always wear safety glasses and disconnect the battery to prevent accidental deployment or injury. Handle airbag modules facing away from you and store them face up on a flat surface. Verify compatibility of the replacement airbag with vehicle steering wheel and supplemental restraint systems. Use a scan tool to read live data and trigger readiness checks. If any faults persist, consult a professional technician to avoid compromising occupant safety immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.